Raj, how about at U.S. Army? What's the experience for that soldier in a couple of 3 years?
Yeah, I think there's one takeaway from this panel. I think it's all about the data, right? I think it's very clear when we look at each of the case studies and the implementations underway. I heard the word data more than I heard technology and anything else. And so for the Army, it's the same thing. It's decision making at the speed of war. And it's how well we're able to leverage data at echelon, right? All the way from soldier being a sensor, right? And being able to collect data, process data, and be able to send it back to the enterprise, through, disconnected and, highly latent networks. And it's about how we establish data standards for interoperability, because when we have to fight, we're fighting not just with our sister partners and our joint partners in the DoD, but it's also with our allied nations. And every time, you bring on an additional set of players into that, the complexity of data and your integration and interoperability is now an order of magnitude more complex. And the only way you're going to address that is by leveraging AI, right? So we need AI to augment decision making. This certainly cannot be one where we can have human beings pull through terabytes of data, when we are milliseconds away, fighting off hypersonic missiles and fire coming at us. And so AI is going to be critical. And the Army is well on its way through our Project Convergence pilot programs, validating these technologies. And we're confident over the next few years, between now and 2028, we will have a fully integrated system of capabilities that leverages cloud data and AI as our warfighting platform.